the Nellie Estill House, circa 1886. This stick Eastlake style home was built in 1886 by Charles and Charlotte Beckers. Charles was born in Prussia in 1832. He later immigrated to America and became a successful restaurant operator in Parkersburg. Their daughter, Ida, married Ed Nellie, son of Charles Nellie of 1000 Ann Street, and lived in this home from 1895 to 1965. Ed Nellie was the first president of Wood County Bank. When Joe and Kay Estill acquired the house in 1972, they found a number of old records in it and donated them to the Wood County Bank. The house includes elements of several styles, but its main lines are Victorian Gothic with Eastlake decoration. The building is a rectangle, with the 3-bay gable end facing Ann Street. The house features many of the original gas chandeliers, which have been converted to electricity. The formal rooms have solid cherry woodwork, crown molding, and pocket doors, with oak used for the woodwork elsewhere in the home.